Well, all being well, we're going to meet up with Steve and we're going to head off towards Avebury, up where the stone circles are, past Silbury Hill. What I'll do when we go past Silbury Hill and things like that, so you can see it, I'll if I remember, I'll do a bit of a voiceover when I get back home and when we're editing, and give you a bit of information about it. But from there we're going to go on to Avebury, where the old stone circles are, and then hopefully shoot down towards Devizes, where the set of locks, I think there's 15, it's either 15 or 16 different canal locks, and they go up in a big set of steps. It's quite a sight to behold apparently, especially from the lower end when you look up. Thank you, sir. So what I'm going to do, I will turn you off until we meet up with Steve, and then we'll go from there. I think hopefully we're going to have a bit of brekkie. It's not a proper day out, is it, without brekkie? Got to have your grub. Growing loud. Trouble is, we grow any more, definitely won't be able to fit in these trousers. It was a bit snug this morning. Anyway, I'm going to turn you off. I will come back on again when we're just about to leave with Steve. Bye for now. Do you want to go around that square to that cafe? Unless we get going and see what's on the route. I've got rid of my Chinese visor because it had the cheap pin walk insert. But it was, when it pissed down on the way back last time I left you, wow, it was just bloody steaming up the way heaven. I'm steaming up now. That one's recording. That one's recording. Oh, I can almost see. Will this lift or not with us?
No.
Busy, isn't it?
It is. It's a nightmare to get out of this some days.
I'm looking for gaps for a pair of us, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime quick, is it?
I'll catch it for you. Or I'll go with you.
I bloody, when I came round there just now, it must have been a bit of diesel or something. The old arse end twitch when I went round it.
Yeah, it does make your block touch a bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, I couldn't believe it when it started raining when I left.
I literally went outside to move the bike out. I thought, oh, that's Christ's sake. Yeah, funny bit of damp in it.
Oh yeah, really, I just think it'd be the odd shower, innit? But I mean, I use that BBC weather app. What a useless piece of shit that is.
And I checked BBC, and then I checked the Met Office. Yeah, basically it's sort of about 20% going to rain this morning. But film where we are, usually it flows round us.
Yeah, look at that house, isn't that bloody lovely?
That's the other half of it, isn't it?
God. I take it that is one house, not flats.
It is one house, yes.
Some bugger's got way too much money. I've got the drone with me. I didn't know whether to put it up over those locks if it's not raining. It just oh, you're coming out anyway, are you? Should we have this bugger? He's spoiling a nice road.
So you could always take a layer off, don't you?
Yeah, still clear.
I've been looking at cameras, because you're always looking, aren't you?
Oh god, yeah. I might look at. Oh, well, I was on the back. Do you know? I looked down at my bloody where I had the Action 3, and I thought, shit, where's that gone? I thought it had fallen off. It's on the top box, isn't it?
Yes, you put that on just before we left.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me.
Lovely little bend that.
Lovely bend.
Yeah, I might sell the 3 because DJI are going to bring out a 360. And to be honest, if you're going to have a 360, I mean, I've had one before. I had the Insta 1X2.
Yeah.
With that, you had to edit the 360 footage first, then put it into your normal editing, and then edit it again. Which I found was a ball ache, but they've changed it now. It's a lot easier, I think.
So you just whack it on the computer and edit all in one
I think you can, just do it in one go. I mean, a lot of it you can do on your phone now.
I'll have to talk to you about your 3 then, won't we?
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, what you get from now, it would probably make sense to keep it. Probably get rid of it and then chuck it in a jar and put that towards the 360 when it comes out. I like the way DJI cameras work, so I want to stick with them if I can. And they're so bloody reliable.
Well, that's it, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, it's not just for the fact of filming in 4K stabilisation, because I've got 2.7 and still keep the stabilisation on it.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether I'd go or not.
I mean, they're good. They've got what's called, their stabilisation is called Rock Steady.
Yeah.
And then you've got Rock Steady Plus. So if it's really bumpy, Rock Steady Plus. What it does though, when you use stabilisation, it does crop the footage in slightly.
Yeah, that's what happens on this one.
Yeah.
I don't get such a wide field of view, whereas looking at those roads and it's a lot wider anyway. You know, it's one of those things, it's long bit and you start looking around, don't you?
Oh yeah, bloody. The trouble is you can go and spend an absolute bloody fortune.
Oh, I do love this road.
It's lovely in the drive and there's no shit and grit.
Yeah, I think that actually during the winter as well, but mostly during the spring and summer, they've got to have a bike night out, all the Hope, there's a pub out there.
Oh yeah.
Run by some bikers.
He's moaning that because I didn't pull in that lay-by where it was all caked in shit. I'd have come off.
When he's still got about 3 foot of space.
Yeah. If I went in that shit, I'd have come straight off.
Yeah.
I remember we came through here. It's on one of the videos actually. Came through here. There was I think 3 of us, maybe 4. And we came through that narrow bit round that bend, and there was a bloody coach coming the other way. Of course, we weren't hanging about because it was summer, it was all dry, and the roads were clean. See, there is a nice little cafe in Fordingbridge, but it's a pain in the ass for parking. You have to park up the road a bit in the public car park, and then walk back down to the town. But there's got to be something somewhere.
Oh yeah, we'll find something. I don't know where your route takes you. It's up towards Marlborough, right?
Yeah, we're going to go Fordingbridge, Salisbury, Marlborough, cut across, shoot down the A4 past Silbury Hill, down to Avebury, from Avebury shoot down to Devizes to the locks. My mate come through here on his MT-07 with his Akropovich bloody exhaust on it. You should have heard it bouncing off all the bloody buildings with the noise. Oh, crazy noise. And of course, being him, he's bloody revving it and giving it some.
Oh yeah.
This is that cafe I was on about.
Oh yeah.
In there. And then you park up there.
Shame you can't park on the pavement, it's big enough, isn't it?
Yeah. Still clear. You're in now, aren't you? Look at all the mistletoe, look. Because it's actually a parasite, isn't it, mistletoe?
It is, yeah.
You can come if you like. Still clear. Still clear, coming into a 40.
Oh, there's no mini buses.
Oh, there's a burger bar here, look. Shall we? Be rude not to, wouldn't it?
We're gonna stood out there in the cold all morning.
Then we can change the batteries as well, if I have to.
Yeah, we've got another 45 minutes at least on me, haven't we?
Yeah, hold on. What do you reckon, yay or nay?
Oh, definitely up for coffee. Oh,
Jose. Oh, I'm gonna have to move mine because it's leaning that way.
alright.
I'll go behind that van. I don't know, it looks a bit greasy in there. No, I did it. I did it in the end. I didn't want to pester Stu again because he's got a lot on with his kibosh tour, as I call it, kibosh course, knee bosh, isn't it? Yeah, that was all right. That little burger van, wasn't it? I said when we pulled up, I thought, oh, does it look a bit dirty? But he was good as gold, wasn't he? And I was watching him. He kept washing his hands as well. That was nice. There's the old cathedral. Yeah. So I think they better have it. Bit of filterage. Oh yeah. I see him behind the Merc. Oh, it's an AMG as well, a proper one. It is. And you can fly the drone round that. They don't let you take off or land from their property. But there's quite a few that have droned it. Got this Merc. Look at this, look, the old Spitfire. Brilliant. Yeah. There's Silbury Hill. Yeah. And that's fucking man-made. Now let's get this straight. This isn't man-made, as in a bloke with a JCB. This was man-made from the year 2400 BC. Yes, I know the do-gooders of the world now want it called BCE instead of BC, because then it's not connected to Christianity. Well, sorry, but they can piss off. BC it is for me. And this chalk mound stands 129 feet high, and that's the highest in Europe and one of the highest in the world. The base is 548 feet across in diameter. Archaeologists estimated it took about 18 million man-hours to construct it, and that's 500 men working solidly for 15 years. In 2002, after heavy rain, part of the hill collapsed, causing a hole at the summit. And it's believed that was due to an old excavation shaft dating back from 1776. In 2007, all the previous tunnels and the investigation shafts were filled up with more chalk. Now, it's not known why it was built, and there's no actual evidence of any burials there. Whatever it was for, bloody impressive. In a minute, when we go around the first bends, you'll start to see the stones on your right hand side. Cool, that's scabby, isn't it? See the stones on the right? So that's the start of some of them. And then as you go round now, as you follow the road round to the left, you'll see all the stones. Massive, isn't they? But these sort of circle the whole little village. And that's that pub there, look, the Red Lion. As I say, they've got CCTV, ANPR cameras in the car park. So yeah, that bit on the left is probably where it's telling you. If we stop there and spin it round. But I mean, look at the size of these stones. Incredible. I mean, there is that junction up there we can stop on. Probably a bit better, and let's stop. I'm going to stop just here, I think. I'm going to go in, because then they can pull round us, can't they? But yeah, so all those little stones there, look. And then these huge ones. They are huge, aren't they? I hate these fucking electric cars. You can't hear the bastards. What I'll do, I'll let the video run. I'll take a still. These old converted military buildings that... So when we go over this little bridge, this humpback, have a look up to your right. You'll see the towpath. There's nothing behind us, is there? Nah. See them? So if we park here, and then I thought we could have a little trot up there, can we? Let's see if there is somewhere.